Hello and welcome to Bright. How often do you feel stressed? Once a day? Twice a day? Many times a day? Did you know that this stress causes our heart to beat rapidly? And often we are not even aware of this change. That's because the oldest part of our brain, called the lizard brain, subconsciously responds to sensory inputs from the environment around us. These subconscious reactions can cause dangerous long-term health outcomes. That's why we need Bright, an app that can help you to get to know your heart and retrain your inner lizard. You can learn more about this in the Masterclass series. Here's how to use the app. Put on and activate your polar heart rate monitor. Open the app and click Heartbeat. Select Establish your baseline while resting quietly in a calm space for 90 seconds. Practice a movement strategy and watch your heart rate go up. Practice a self-regulation strategy from the Sights or Sounds menu and watch your heart rate go down. Use the rainbow mode to show this process in color. Practice measuring and lowering your heart rate using Bright's self-regulation tools twice a day, ideally. Researchers have shown that even once a day, for as little as 6 minutes, can have positive impacts on your health. Your heart will love you for it. One of the easiest ways to get started is to use the breathing ball guide to help you learn how to pace and deepen your breath. The Sounds tool is one of the tools that I use more than any other in the Bright app. I have provided an array of relaxing music videos that I can use coupled with my deep breathing exercises to immediately lower my heart rate. The Sights tool is also useful when I'm in a stressful environment. I can focus on the scenes of nature to help me relax. Sometimes there's no better solution than movement, however. The array of videos in the movement category help you to move your body in ways that can decrease stress. This is your Bright app. Start retraining your inner lizard now.